Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we will start pre-market analysis in weekly basis. So I will try to make the video for market analysis in every week. We have already learned basic stock market features and some advanced pattern through videos. So now time came to apply and execution those method in live market. Guys, keep attention. We should become technical data analytic, not predictor. Your analytic only will be taking away to your goal. But yes, one more thing, I am not saying that it's easy, but I will definitely say that by taking baby steps you will succeed in long run. So let's go on chart and we will analysis Nifty and Bank Nifty. uh, Guys, in my analysis I have some own setups to check measures the quality of trades. Also right now, comment below and tell us what videos topic you want us to cover, as we always look at the comments to decide what to create next. So guys, here first we need to check time frame. You can see it's a daily, right? It's time frame, yeah. 1 hour means 60 minutes, and then 50 minutes, and last one is of 5 minutes. It's a execution time frame. So we will combine with trade support and resistance, trend lines, moving average, and last one is RSI divergence. That was learned in last video. So trading view platform. So we will analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for 14th June, coming Monday, and I have opened the chart of Nifty. And guys, you know that Nifty is all time high. So now, so Nifty के लिए upside एक sky limit है. So we will try to make the trade in bullish side. So with friend, and but actually we will get some good counter trade. We will surely do it. So we are in daily time frame, and as per measure, we need to find that near support and resistance in Nifty. Okay, so this is our first near support. So that was the resistance before. Okay, so then after we need to use trend line as per measures. Uh, at least two swings highs or swings low are needed to draw a trend line in either direction. Okay, so really this is the trend line, right? So after that we use 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average. So find near 50 EMA and 200 EMA and check price is above or below 50 EMA or 200 EMA. Okay, so we'll check. uh, we can plot. So you change the 50 rows. Okay, so this will get the 50-day EMA. So so we draw the line and here make the star. Okay, so what is the 200 EMA? 200 EMA. 200 EMA is very far. Okay, okay, so after that we will use RSI divergence. check RSI is above 65 or RSI is below 35 or between 60 to 40. Check the price diversion and RSI diversion. So we'll check. So right now RSI is 69. So it's above 65. Okay, so bullish. Price diversion and RSI diversion is almost same. So now we will move 1 hour time frame, and same thing we'll find in 1 hour time frame. So we'll move from here 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what's the first? First is a near support and resistance, right? So this is the first support and resistance, right? But it's not good. Okay, it's not good. So second one is draw the trend line. At least two swings should be combined. So you can find here this one, right? Okay, and third one is plot 50 EMA and 200 EMA. So this is a 200 EMA, right? So okay, now plot 50. So 50 is here. तो गाइस देखिए हमने जहाँ पर ड्रॉ किया था उसी के आसपास है, right? So last one is RSI divergence. So now we will find the price divergence and RSI divergence. Guys, in a 1 hour time frame, price divergence making higher high and same RSI making higher low, right? So that means price can reverse. So should we jump on the trade? No. Why? Because we will not take the trade only based off divergence. Some other parameters and price actions will set up, then we will trade. Okay, so now we will move on 15-minute time frame and same exercise will do. So let's 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Okay, so first क्या था? Support and resistance. My past support and resistance. We cannot find good support and resistance. Then we go 50 EMA and 200 EMA plot. So this is a 50 EMA, right? So okay, and 200 plot 200. So guys, ये 200 EMA हमने plot कर लिया है. So guys, you can see we mark the star of 50 EMA on 1 hour time frame, and same 200 EMA में भी सेम यहाँ पर आ रहा है, जैसे 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे यहाँ पर है, राइट? सो 15 मिनट पे सेम आ रहा है. सो वी कैन से दैट इट्स अ गुड सपोर्ट, राइट? हियर और रेजिस्टेंस भी है. ओके, सो ये अच्छा सपोर्ट है. सो नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द ट्रेंड लाइन. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट ट्रेंड लाइन. Okay, and here is the another support line. Okay, so now we'll move in RSI divergence. So no difference. Now we have complete analysis of Nifty, and we will try to find out where we will be execute the trade. If the price break the trend line and close below trend line, अपना पहला काम हो गया है, and then we will wait the price closed and halt sometimes below support here, support line. Okay, so then we will take the trade to our next star, this one that we mark. Okay, so we can get the target at least 3:1. We'll show you how short position. Okay, 20 रुपीस का 20 पॉइंट्स का हम स्टॉप लॉस रखेंगे, यहाँ पर रखेंगे. So next, with same measures, we will analysis of Bank Nifty. I have opened the chart in daily time frame. Actually, guys, Bank Nifty is bearish as compared with Nifty. So now we will find near support and support. I think this is the support. Okay, and now what will this draw trend line, this one. Okay, and now moving average. Okay, so moving average we plot 50 first. Okay, 50. So here's 50 and 200. So this is the 200 support of moving average. Okay. We have plotted moving averages, and now we will see RSI. No, it's same. So now we will move in 1 hour time frame, and we'll do same process. Okay, so this is the support, near support. Okay, and any trend line. So this is the trend line. Okay, and moving average is 200 here. So this is 200. Okay, so 50 moving averages. So okay, so guys, here price is below 50 EMA, so price can move in downward direction, but actually we will find other setups in lower time frame. Okay, so now we will move in 15 minutes. Okay. So we draw the trend line. We also draw the this one. Okay. So we plot 200 EMA also. So guys, 200 EMA and 50 EMA. Price is below 50 and 200. Okay, it's great. So if price breaks this trend line, okay, so we can take the target first this support and second one is this. So we will short position target is will get the target 2:1, and if we stretch here, so 4:1. Okay, uh, you can easily achieve at 3 4 4 5 around. Okay, now we finished the video, and guys, need your feedback right now. Do you like this video? Tell us right now in the comment if you want me to continue to release more content often. We need you to smash the like button and click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell. And I still have lots of topics to cover, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in next.